Discover how to navigate Zillow's powerful tools to find your perfect home, starting from scratch. To begin, simply open your web browser and type Zillow.com, or download the Zillow app from your phone's app store. You'll land on their intuitive homepage, ready to start your search. The first step is to tell Zillow where you want to look. Locate the prominent search bar, usually at the top of the page, and enter your desired city, zip code, or even a specific address. Then, press the search icon or the enter key to proceed. Once your search results appear, you'll see a range of filter options at the top. For beginners, focus on the essentials: price range, number of bedrooms, and bathrooms. Click on each filter to adjust your preferences. Let's say you're looking for homes between $300,000 and $500,000 with at least 3 bedrooms. Apply these filters, and watch as your search results instantly update to match your criteria. Now that you have refined your search, it's time to explore individual listings. Click on any home from the results to open its dedicated property page, revealing a wealth of information. On this page, you'll find a captivating photo gallery to scroll through, the current price, and key specifications like bedrooms, bathrooms, and square footage. Below that, read the detailed property description and explore its location on the integrated map. If a property catches your eye, make sure to save it. Look for the heart icon or a save button. Clicking it will add the listing to your saved homes, making it easy to revisit later without starting your search all over again. You're now equipped with the basic tools to navigate Zillow and begin your home search. Keep exploring and happy house hunting.